Alright guys, so I didn't really show you the braid pattern, but I didn't show you how I did it, but I'm going to explain it to you guys so you can get it.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah.
Everybody get chopped out. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
So this is her part. My plan is to just put the braids this way, and for the front to look like single braids. This is her side. I'm gonna have to pack a little bit more braids on this side to balance out the weight from this side and that side. So this is, you know, less braids, but I'm gonna have to pack a little bit more to balance out the weight from this side and that side. So what I did was single braids. I connected it to another single braid, and then just cornrowed down. The reason why I'm doing it like this is I kind of want it to look like it's single braids, right? Without it looking so crochet-like. So this is her line that goes all the way back. From here, it's just going to fall this way. So it will look like single braids up till about here, and then it falls down. And this side will also look like it's single braids. So basically I did 2 rows of single braids, connected them to my cornrow, and then just cornrowed down. And 2 single braids, connected them with the cornrow. So I'm going to finish it back here. This definitely, the jam definitely helps me to part my lines and make it clean. So you can use the yellow one. You don't have to use this one. I just like this one. This one is expensive, so use the yellow one if you have that. guys, this is the hair. Got this hair from Leonieri Hair. They're on Amazon, Leonieri, and they sent me this hair. We're going to try it out today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's very soft. Yeah. Like I wish you guys could appreciate how soft this thing is. It's like super soft. So you're getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, makes more sense. I was like 11? Nah. This is the ends. Oh, this is so pretty. This is the ends of it. We'll see how it goes. I like to start in the front to pack all the hair I can in the front. And then if I don't have enough, I don't worry about the back. So just to play it safe, I'm gonna start in the front. Let me take this part of the video to encourage somebody out there. I have a reading that I want to share with you, and it says, be patient toward all that is unsolved in your heart and try to love the questions themselves. Like locked rooms and like books that are now written in a very foreign tongue, do not seek the answers which cannot be given you because you will not be able to live them. And the point is to live everything. Live the questions now. Perhaps you will then gradually, without noticing it, live along some distant day into the answer. And this is by Raina Maria Rilke. Not sure how that's pronounced, but you got the idea. And that was shared with me by Soul Healer. Soul Healer sent this to me. And I just want to encourage somebody out there. Many a times we go through things and we pray for things. We wish for certain answers. And then in the distant future, we find out that, golly, I'm glad I didn't have those prayers answered, because can you imagine if all of our prayers were answered? All of our wishes came into fruition, or all that we wanted to manifest, we manifested. Where will we be now? And could we handle that type of life in this day? We change daily, we change yearly, we change by decades. I am not who I was, not even yesterday. Every day I'm changing. So if you knew me last month, you don't know me today. I am not who you knew last month. Neither am I who you knew when I was in my 20s. And so if you are going through something today, do not look at your past and use that to determine who you are now. You are not your past. And you have to decide that for yourself. Nobody can decide that for you. Choose you today. Choose the things that are important to you today. And so anything that you pray for, that didn't get answered, just leave it as is. Don't beat yourself about the fact that your prayers weren't answered. Don't beat yourself about the fact that you didn't manifest what you thought you wanted yesterday, today. Because today you realize that there are new blessings in the day. Tomorrow, you will realize there are new blessings in tomorrow, that you may not have needed what you thought you needed last year. But if you have something in your heart and you definitely know that you absolutely still need it, keep pushing for it. I just want to encourage somebody out there today. Let's choose ourselves. Let's be forgiving of ourselves. And most importantly, let's find love for ourselves, because the love that you have for you, you are able to share with somebody else. No one is able to save somebody else when they need saving themselves. No one is able to give somebody oxygen when they're suffocating themselves. So give yourself oxygen now, so you can give me oxygen when I need it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not sure who this message is for. I love you, and I'm wishing you all the best, and I'm cheering you on.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, I love it.